Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by prepping the high roller. Equip its optimal frame, 2 primaries, and a utility mod to maximize damage and survivability. Once done, check your power level. Make sure it's 100 or higher, and you have 3 core slots free for augmentations. Then deploy into a mid-range map so you can use the class's mobility. Begin with conservative engagements to test weapon values, because early positioning determines whether you control firefights or get forced into awkward trades. Once you've established positioning, play the mid-game by controlling sight lines and using speed boosts to reposition every 8 to 12 seconds. This keeps you unpredictable. Make sure to swap to your secondary at close range to guarantee quick kills and conserve primary ammo for medium engagements. Combine passive buffs with timed utility for crowd control. Use the utility to break enemy shields or interrupt channels. This execution maintains pressure while minimizing exposure, so you dictate the tempo of fights. As fights wind down, close out by pushing when enemy resources are low and use ultimates in coordinated windows to guarantee team wipes. If you become pressured, don't force entry, fall back to cover, use heals or reposition to reset the engagement. Make sure to communicate timing so teammates follow. If performance lags, check a single troubleshooting tip. Reset your key mods or lower mouse DPI to improve aim stability. This often fixes missed shots and restores consistent high roller out.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.